Back here in Colorado, no rain at all in the Denver area. Unlike the last two afternoons, we had some thunderstorm activity. It's nothing out there except clear sky here in Denver. Up in the mountains, look at that beautiful blue sky. But you got to find a place to be cool. You can do it here. You head to Waterworld. It's a great shot of our camera over at Waterworld right now. People enjoying the sunshine. Be sure you wear your sunscreen, though, with this hot weather. The UV index is way up there in the extreme category. 94 was the high today. That's the 28th day of 90 or better so far this year. 63-hour low. The record high, 98 back in 1989. 89 degrees is our normal high temperature. Right now in Denver, it's 94, still out at the airport, 91 downtown. 15% humidity. Pressure's on the rise. Winds are out of the south-southeast at 11 miles per hour. Across the nation, it's pretty hot all over the place. 100 right now at Phoenix, 93 at Salt Lake City. Notice a little bit less up here across the northern Great Lakes area. There's a front up there with cooler weather in the northern Great Plains into the Great Lakes. Warm and humid conditions across much of the Mississippi Valley. The hot weather here, but there's just a hint of some of that monsoon moisture trying to get going. It's not really into Colorado yet, but there are a few scattered thunderstorms over southwestern Colorado. That'll continue until about 9 o'clock or so, and then they'll dissipate, leaving behind the smoke and the haze again overnight. While we stay with mostly clear skies, Denver and across the northeast plains, it's going to be a nice mild night in July. 63 for Denver and Fort Collins, 62 at Greeley, 45 up at Leadville. By morning, most of the readings will be in the low to mid 60s by about 6 a.m. along the Front Range, and in the 50s in the mountains. It should be a very comfortable early morning, but with the sunshine tomorrow, quickly it's going to be sunny and very warm by 9 a.m. It'll be hot by noon with scattered storms developing in the mountains across the eastern plains. It stays hot and dry again for tomorrow. Some of the storms tomorrow, especially over southwest Colorado, could produce some locally heavy rain. There could be the flash flood problems on some of the burn scars with some of those storms. Highs tomorrow, upper 90s in Denver, 100 at Greeley and La Junta, nearly 100 out at Grand Junction along the Front Range. There'll be a sprinkling of triple digits. 101 at Longmont, Platteville 100, Keensburg at 100 will be 97 degrees downtown. Front Range tonight mostly clear, hazy, mild, and 63. For tomorrow, mostly sunny and hot. There'll be some isolated storms mainly over the mountains. 98 expected. Looking ahead, we'll see that 98 by 4 p.m. Temperature up to 92 even by noon tomorrow. And on the extended forecast, about the same Wednesday. Then by Thursday, some of that tropical moisture begins to move back into Colorado. Better chance of storms. Friday and Saturday, a good chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms, mountains and plains, and not as hot with highs just in the upper 80s, and then just upper 80s to around 90 for early next week.